Are you tired of deleting apps and then forgetting their names when you want to reinstall them? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to restore deleted apps on your iPhone. We'll walk you through the process step by step and provide you with some helpful tips along the way. With our easy-to-follow guide, you'll be able to find and reinstall any app you've deleted in no time. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. In the past, recovering deleted apps from your iPhone or iPad meant relying on a backup or just purchasing it again. But those ways are history now. Compared to the early days, it's pretty easy to restore accidentally deleted apps on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks to iCloud, app management is easy and hassle-free. What's more, re-downloading the app doesn't cost you anything if you've already purchased the app. If you've set up family sharing on your iPhone, you can see the My Purchases option on the All Purchases screen. If not, the method to restore deleted apps remains the same in iOS 16.15 and earlier versions of iOS. The first thing you're going to do is launch the App Store on your iPhone device. This will help us find the apps we've ever downloaded. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Look where it says Purchased. Don't worry, we are not purchasing any app. Okay, now tap on Purchased in App Store on your iPhone. Now tap the Not on this iPhone menu at the top to see the list of all iOS apps you've ever downloaded. Find the app that you deleted and wish to reinstall. Then tap on the cloud icon right next to the app and the installation will begin. Alternatively, you can also search for the purchased app on the App Store if you still remember the app's name. Another benefit of this is that when you download the app that you've already paid for, you won't be charged again. And that's it. Now that you know how this trick works, use it to easily reinstall deleted apps on your iPhone and iPad. Hope you found this trick helpful. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.